those screws in here. There's 3 screws, one here, one there, and one over here. 3 screws. Gonna start off with this one. But first, I'm gonna do this first. Gonna take off this blade. Take off the blade so we'll have no problem. Let's see if I can find something to take it off with. But at the moment I don't have a big spanner, so we're gonna continue with this. There's one screw already loosened. There's one out. There's another one here. The one is out, and there's another one. It's a little tight. Let's see how we're gonna do this one here. You get another long extension. See how it works. Swivel one. Oops, doesn't work. Change your mind. Bigger one to work that time. Then we got this one out. Now we're gonna lose out this one back here. It should be just a 10. That's as you can see, it's 11. If you want to do something a little faster, we can do these two. Now get the impact. We can select a 10 from 11 from here. I'll go a little faster. So if you see it's got a little stuck, just screw this both inside back. So with a yank, it's out. There we go again. And this part is out. Set those parts apart. Set it apart. Then we're going to continue on the front. On this side here. On the front here. We're going to start off with an Allen key. Let's see. The Allen key. is the Allen key that I had here. We're just gonna find another one. Oh, here it is. Come over here. You take off the handle. Should have put a little bit of WD-40. The WD-40 there. A little WD-40 there. Let me see if you can get off. Wow, there we go. Already popped loose. Give it a little wiggle. Get it soft. There we go. See, the handle is off. That's one. Let's set this aside for now. Then here is the other one. Give it a little wiggle, the other one, get it soft. Then we unscrew it out. You don't have to go all the way out. Then if it's tight there, it means give it a little wiggle, wiggle it, and it comes out. So that's out. Now we gotta let go these 3 screws here. Take out these 3 screws. We gotta take out this flat ring. And we need flat screwdriver. Okay, here we are. Put there, pry it out, and it's out. You got that part out. I will unscrew these. Got some little stuff inside. I'm gonna use this. Use a 10. And there we are. a pain in the butt with this kind of flathead screws. But what do you do? Gotta take it off no matter what. Anyway, we got one off. I like to put them together a little bit gloss.